Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Chuck from the YouTube channel, Chuck Does. I'm gonna be out here at this bridge right here, magnet fishing today. I've been out of this bridge before, but I was magnet fishing from the bank, and all I caught was a nail. Today I'm gonna be up on the actual walk bridge up there, and be throwing off from up there. Let's see what we can get. Let me go ahead and get set up, and we'll get the magnets in the water. All right, so hey y'all, I just tied off the rope right here to the bridge right here. I've checked over the side of the bridge to make sure I'm not near any pilings. There's one over there. I just gotta make sure not to throw it to my left because those are encased in metal, and dadgum, that magnet will be lost forever. I'm good over here to my right. There's a lot of vehicle traffic, so hopefully that doesn't, hopefully y'all can hear me pretty well. All right, just threw the rope down, no magnet on, just so I can untangle it. Hooking the magnet on now. Got it secured in, first throw. Nothing on that throw. How y'all doing? Still ice on the river from the storm a few days ago. Whew. All right, let's see here. Yep, still nothing. I don't know how deep this river is. I'm using my 100-foot rope today. I'd say I'm probably only maybe 40 feet above the river, but I don't think this river would be 60 feet deep. So I'm pretty sure I'm hitting bottom. Ooh. I'm not sure if that's a rock or I feel like I'm on something that feels heavier. Nope, nothing. Pull her up. You know, if I don't get anything, I mean, that's really good. It just means that this river's really clean. It would just seem really odd to me. I'm not sure if that's ice or oil down there. Right where the magnet went down, right there. That's ice. I broke the ice. For a second there, it looked like the sheen of oil. Nothing again. I'm not wearing the puncture-proof gloves purely because they are not waterproof. And my hands would be frozen right now. These gloves are waterproof, but I mean the fingers are still are already getting a little cold. Oh, that's crazy. How did that not get folded in there? See, I'm starting to pull right there. That's crazy. You see the rope? It's on top of the sheet of ice. So the magnet went down on the far side, it broke through the ice over there. The rope is on top of the ice, and then on this side of the ice, the rope is down under the water again. Ooh, this feels heavy. Oh, it's me pulling through the ice. Get back down on the ground. But yeah, like I said, it's not even above freezing outside right now. When I got out of the car, I think the car said 29 degrees. Which, why would I be down here doing this at 29 degrees? Well, I was supposed to go today. I got the day off work today. I was supposed to fly down to Dallas, but because the airport's been closed for the past 3 or 4 days because of the storm, the airport local to my house has only got 2 outbound flights this afternoon. And when I checked online, as right before I drove up here, the first outbound flight was still delayed. It was supposed to go out at 10:30 this morning, but as of 1 o'clock this afternoon, it was still delayed. So yeah, there was no going down to Dallas today. You come down here a little bit closer to this piling, but I'm going to yeah, that's about as close as I'm going to get right there. I might go over to this side of the bridge, in between, and just instead of throwing it out, just drop it down between the drive bridge and the walk bridge. That scared me.
the magnet was so far swung under the bridge, under the walk bridge, I couldn't see it for a good minute. I was like, oh shit, am I stuck? God. As you can see right here, there was some construction. I mean, the bridge used to come out further, I guess. So you'd think the construction guys, because, you know, all they care about is getting paid for building a bridge, you would think they would drop some of the bolts and screws and whatnot down there. So that's the bottom. I'm going to tie a knot right here. Just a little simple slip knot. Just so when I get home I can measure out how deep it is from this railing to the bottom of the water, to the bottom of the river. It's just one of those things where I'm curious about. Yeah, I'm getting dangerously close to that piling down there. I like pulling down on the railing like this. It acts like a little pulley. Makes it a little bit easier to pull the rope up, even if there's nothing on there. Felt like I had something. It was getting heavy, but there's nothing on there. Mud. That's about it. So today I'm using the max lens mod on my GoPro. I made sure I had the camera set up correctly for it this time. That's what happened last time I was up at this river, is I had this lens on, but I didn't have the camera set up correctly, and it was just horrible. So I'm kind of excited to get this onto the computer and see what it looks like. It's supposed to give a wider view. It has a lot of things that it does to it. You can set up an option on it, like if you have it on a GoPro has it on their website of a kid who put this on his skateboard, and you can do what's called horizon lock. And he did a kick flip, and it was just really weird how it happened, how it worked out. Somebody's calling me. Oh no, that's my alarm to go to work, but I got the day off work. But yeah, like the horizon stays the same. No matter when the camera goes upside down, the horizon stays the same. But everything else moves around. It's really weird. Y'all should go on their website and check it out, whether you have GoPro or not. It's a really cool feature. I'll never use it. Probably not. I think after this plug, I'm gonna walk down this way a little ways. And go down that way. Yep, this looks good right out here. I've only been here for 20 minutes. I haven't caught nothing yet. I mean, I'm gonna give it a few more throws. I'm not gonna give up on it. And then I'll probably go down to another bridge. On my last video, the one that was the combination of the magnet fishing and the metal detecting, prior to all the cuts and post-production and everything, I had over an hour of footage on there. And the video ended up like 28 minutes long. So quite a bit does get edited out during post-production. After this pull, I'm going to go back over this side of the bridge. I'm just zigzagging back and forth down the bridge. Man, that feels heavy, but there's nothing on there. Tell you what, if you think about getting magnet fishing, do it. It's a good hobby. You do get to clean up our waterways when you catch stuff. But like I was saying, is if you're gonna get in magnet fishing, get yourself one of these double carabiner ropes. This is my 100-foot rope. My 65-foot rope is not a double carabiner rope. 65-foot rope would have probably been fine here on this bridge, but then I would have been tying it off, tying it back on, tying it off, tying it back on. And you know, like I said, I'm not the best knot tyer in the world. One good throw on a weak knot, and there goes my magnet in the rope down to the bottom of this river. And I won't get it until summertime when I can scuba dive down here to pick it up. I guess criminals in Oklahoma don't ditch their murder weapons off the sides of bridges like in other states. Oh, speaking of which, my gun's in the car still. Shit. Not that I'm planning on murdering anybody. Ooh, I'm throwing back down there. There was something there. But I do have over $600 on my chest right now. So I would like a little bit of protection. Let's see here, I think. Whatever I clicked on last time, I missed it this time.
Fishing, huh?
Yep.
Noticed that right off.
So he already knows what magnet fishing is. That's cool. Trying to get back down on what I clicked on before. I know I clicked on something. It wasn't a rock. All right, let's go over this way. I mean, it's a really good thing if I don't catch anything, because like I've said, if I don't catch anything, that means this river's really clean. I didn't think it would be, but I mean it's right on the, just on the south side of Oklahoma City. If you know where I'm at, if you know what river this is, go ahead and comment below. If I don't catch anything, it's a good thing. It means this river's really clean. I didn't think it would be. This river is on the south side of Oklahoma City, with a very busy thoroughfare. Probably 1,000 cars an hour over this bridge. Probably 1,000 cars an hour over this bridge. But if you know what river I'm on, go ahead and comment below. If you live in the state of Oklahoma, and you want to go magnet fishing with me, contact me in the comments. And we'll set something up. I think this is gonna be my last throw on this river. Gonna go get in the car and warm up a little bit while I drive down to another bridge. Cause man, it's cold right now. My gloves, so much for being waterproof. I mean, I guess they're not waterproof, they're water resistant. And I've gone past the resistance of them. So this time as I pull up, I'm dropping the rope right into the bucket. I mean, I've been out here for a half an hour on this bridge alone. Go hit another bridge for a half an hour. That'll be an hour's worth of raw video that I'll cut down to probably cut. I don't like doing marathon videos. Anything over 20 minutes I don't like doing. Like I said, that last video was 28 minutes long. So it really just blows my mind at how clean that river was. I didn't catch a single thing. This next bridge I'm going to is on the same river. Different bridge though, so maybe that bridge will have more stuff in the water underneath it.
Hey guys, so I was out here for a half an hour today and I did not catch a single thing. I was at different places on the bridge, different angles, different sides of the bridge. This has to be the cleanest waterway in the entire state of Oklahoma. But you know, sometimes it's just like that. I was gonna go down to a different bridge, but as I was sitting in the car, Google mapping, trying to figure out where to go, man, it's just cold today, man. It's not even above freezing. It's just miserable cold. So with that being said, you know, I'm gonna wrap it up here, go home. I'm still gonna post this video because, you know, magnet fishing isn't always glorious. So stay tuned for what's coming up. All right, later.